Hey everyone, Bourbon Bill here with Bourbon Bill's Pirate Bar. Today we're going to talk about a cocktail that is sometimes called the Cuban Mint Julip. But before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and notify bell down below this video or somewhere around this video. And that way you're the first to know, when we upload new videos. We'll be right back. Hey, did you hit that subscribe button while we were away? Well, let's talk about the mojito. This is always one of the most popular drinks on the bar. So let's jump right in and we'll see how lovely this is, how refreshing it is, and how simple it is to make. Okay, so let's talk with start with our mixology and craft mixing cup, the Boston shaker set. We have links for this down below. And we're gonna get our Bacardi silver. I had the pleasure of touring the Bacardi, or as they say, Bacardi Distillery tour in San Juan when we flew into San Juan. We got to see where they made the first pina colada. But in the mixology class at the Bacardi, they taught us how to make a lot of wonderful recipes the way they should be made, not optimized like a lot of times we see here in the States. So we got the scoop, the inside scoop on the original recipes. So again, we start with that 2 ounces of Bacardi. We're going to throw in a little bit of simple syrup. Today we're using the Master of Mixes. We're going to add 2/3 of an ounce into the mix. Throw that right in there. And we're going to do 2 ounces of lime juice. Just fill that right up there. Again, with the mixology and craft jigger. I love this because it's 2 ounces on one side and 1 ounce on the other. So it makes mixing really easy. Okay, we're gonna top that up with some ice. Just throw that right in the mixer, right in the mix there. Give it a nice cool chill down. And I want to point out a couple of things about this drink. You notice that I didn't throw the mint leaves in and just kind of mash it up in there. I'm going to show you why in just a moment. All right, I didn't actually forget, okay? So this is actually intentional. So we put that together, we give that a good shake. A lot of bartenders like the piazzas. All right. So we take a tall glass, we're gonna top that up with some ice. Get a good measure of ice going on in there because we like a tall, cool, refreshing drink. Just a little bit more. Get that right in there. And this ought to about do it. All right, now we talked about the mint just a moment ago. When we were in San Juan, they actually showed us a different way to get the flavor out of the mint. Take the mint leaves in the palm of your hand, just like that. 4 to 5 mint leaves will be sufficient for one good sized mojito. And we're gonna give it a good smack. Just smack it a couple of times. That actually expresses the oil that's in the mint leaves without actually destroying the leaves and making a muddled mess in the bottom of the glass. So one last little shake. And we're going to use our handy dandy strainer. Put that right in there. Oh, but wait, we're not done yet. Okay, so the last ingredient is just a little bit of soda water. Like sometimes you hear it called club soda or seltzer. It's all the same thing. It's just carbonated water. All right. So we're going to put that right in and top that up to the top. All right. Now, in honor of all the Americans that went to Cuba and really enjoyed this drink and brought it back to the United States, we have this handy dandy little airplane swizzle stick that we're going to gently stir all that in. One tried to jump ship there. And we have our stainless steel straw, and we garnish that with a lime wheel, and there you go. We have the traditional mojito. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know down in the comments if there's any recipes you would like to see or any topics. We want to make sure that we're providing you with the information that you need to make your next event or party magical and memorable. And also make sure to check out some of our other videos. And we also have links for all these items down below in the comments, so you don't have to go hunting for them. We've done all the research for you. So again, here's Bourbon Bill, and we're gonna sign off today. But enjoy the mojito, have fun, and cheers.